This is Fibrr, your go-to source for everything Android. When your Android phone won't turn on after charging, there are 6 troubleshooting steps. You can attempt to replace the charger or cable, replace the battery, check the phone charging port, force restart the Android phone, put your Android device into safe mode, and wipe the cache partition or do a factory reset. Here's a fast tutorial to fix your Android phone not turning on even after charging using these solutions. 1. Replace the charger or cable. If your charger or cable is faulty, then your Android phone may not be charging or turning on. Switch the charger or cable to charge the Android phone again, and let it charge for no less than 1 hour. Then, press the power button and see if your Android phone turns on while charging. 2. Replace the battery. If you are sure that the charger or cable you are using is good and it is in good condition to charge the Android phone that is not turning on after charging, then your battery may have reached the end of its life. Consider taking your phone to an official repair center to replace the battery. 3. Check the phone charging port. First, carefully check the charging port for objects or dirt. Second, clean up the lightning port. Third, make sure the charging pins are not bent or ruined. Then, plug into power again and see if you turn on Android phone when charging at this time. 4. Force restart the Android phone. Maybe the phone is on, but the screen goes wrong while charging, letting you think that it won't turn on. The fix here is to force Android phone to power on after charging. Here is the tutorial. If you're using a Samsung Galaxy phone, press and hold the power button and volume down button simultaneously for about 10 to 15 seconds until the device restarts. If you're using a Google Pixel smartphone, press and hold the power button for about 10 to 15 seconds until the device restarts. If you're using Huawei, press and hold the power button and volume down button simultaneously for about 10 to 15 seconds until the device restarts. If you're using Xiaomi, press and hold the power button and volume up button simultaneously for about 10 to 15 seconds until the device restarts. About 10 to 15 seconds until the device restarts. If your phone has a removable battery, just pull it out, wait 15 seconds, then put it back and then long press the power button to force restart your phone. 5. Put your Android device into safe mode. Booting up an Android phone on safe mode is a good way to check if any third-party apps are causing the problem. Here is the tutorial. Make sure your Android phone is turned off. After that, press and hold both the volume up button and the power button until the device vibrates or makes sound. You'll also see the phone logo showing up. And then you'll see the recovery mode screen. Choose Safe Mode option from the menu. You should see your Android phone turn on in safe mode. You can conclude that the Android phone is charging but won't turn on is due to a malfunctioning app. Please find the app that you think is problematic. Long press it on the safe mode screen to remove it. After that, if you want to exit safe mode to run the Android settings in normal mode, you can just restart it. 6. Wipe the cache partition or do a factory reset. If you still can't turn on Android phone after charging, you'll need to put Android phone into recovery mode. It allows you to wipe the cache partition to remove the corrupted system files that prevent the device from turning on. If that fails too, it also enables you to restore your device back to its factory defaults, which will delete everything stored on the device. Here is the tutorial. Turn off your Android device. Then connect your phone to your computer using a USB data cable. Next, go into your Android phone recovery mode. If you're using a Samsung Galaxy phone, press and hold the power button, volume up button, and home button at the same time until the Samsung logo appears. Use the volume buttons to navigate to the Wipe Cache Partition option and select it using the power button. Then select Yes. If you're using a Google Pixel phone, press and hold the power button and volume down button at the same time until the Android mascot appears. Use the volume buttons to highlight recovery mode and select it using the power button. When the Android robot with a red exclamation mark appears, press the power button plus volume up button. Then, use the volume button and the power button to select the Wipe Cache Partition option. If you are using a Huawei or Honor phone, press and hold the power button and volume up button at the same time until the Huawei logo appears. Then, Use the volume buttons to navigate to the Wipe Cache Partition option and use the power button to select it. Next, select Yes. Once the process is all completed, you should turn on your Android phone after it's charged. If not, just repeat the steps and then choose Wipe Data/Factory Reset option to erase the device. Here's the end of the video. Hope this video helped you fix an Android phone that won't turn on after charging. If it does, please give this video a like and share it in Facebook or TikTok. Your support means a lot to Fibrr. Let us know in the comment below if you still need help. Also, don't forget to subscribe Fibrr to acquire helpful Android tips and tricks.